Hello and welcome to the Day Trader channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to become a Polkadot millionaire. Now, before we jump in, let me tell you that in this channel, we bring you all kinds of crypto related content, and we are going to be doing a Cardano giveaway when we reach 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to be giving away 100 ADA to one of my lucky subscribers once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So be sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and let's jump in. Now, before we start, let's talk a little bit about what Polkadot is. It's an open source protocol built for everyone. It's built by the Web3 Foundation, and some of its qualities are it's interoperable. It has interoperability across multiple blockchains. It enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset, not just tokens. It is forkless. So what does forkless mean? Now, maybe you know, but Bitcoin throughout the years has actually been separated into different types of Bitcoin. So every time Bitcoin separates means there has been a fork. Now, Polkadot has been decided with that in mind to be forkless. It is secure and it is user driven. So everything that happens in the Polkadot ecosystem it depends on the token holders. The token holders have complete control over the protocol, and it is a proof of stake coin, unlike Bitcoin, which is a proof of work coin. Now, this project has some very, very good minds behind it. We have some very well-known people in the cryptocurrency space, especially Dr. Gavin Wood is one of the founders of Polkadot, and he is actually one of the co-founders of Ethereum. So definitely a big name there. In terms of market cap, Polkadot is currently ranked 9th out of the total cryptocurrency space. If we ignore stable coins like Tether and USDC, then Polkadot would be ranked 7th. So it's definitely one of the top contenders right now. Now, I've been scouring the internet to look for price predictions to kind of get an idea about what people in the industry are predicting about the price of Polkadot by the end of 2025. So this is from an article in Cryptopolitan. They do a little nice job of summarizing it. So Coinpedia says around $170 to $200 by the end of 2025. Now, Trading Beast is a little bit more conservative. They estimate about $86 by the end of 2024. Let's say maybe $90, $95 by 2025. Wallet Investor is a little bit more bullish. It predicts about $417 by the end of 2025. And the Cryptopolitan website is a little bit even more bullish, predicting $1,000 around the mark of 2025. Now, if I want to become a millionaire, how much Polkadot do I need? Now, let's take a look at some different price ranges, as well as some different time frames in order to find out how much Polkadot I need in order to become a millionaire. So one of the most common thrown around price predictions for this bull market, even though we're in a bearish trend, is around $100. Polkadot already hit north of $50, so it's not that crazy to think it could do just a measly 2x from the previous all-time high. Now, how many coins would I need right now in order to have $1 million? Now, the price of Polkadot right now is around $17. So at $17, I would need around 10,000 coins to become a Polkadot millionaire. Now, that would cost us a pretty penny, around $170,000. So it's not really realistic for most retail traders. But hey, if you want to get rich with Polkadot and you have $200,000 laying around, you can definitely do this. Now, looking into 2023 to 2025, let's look at two price predictions around $200 to $500. Now, if I want to become a millionaire at $200, I would need around 5,000 Polkadot, and that would cost me today around $85,000. Okay, now if I'm going to be targeting that $500 price point, I would need around 2,000 Polkadot tokens, and that would cost me today around $34,000. So it goes down the longer you wait. and the higher your price target over time. Now, let's say around 5 to 10 years, let's say around in the next bull market, the next one after this one, let's say we reach around $1,000 per coin. Now, I would only need 1,000 coins to make it to $1 million. And that would cost me today at a price point of $17, $17,000. Now, what if I am very, very patient and I believe that Polkadot is going to be around 10 to 15 years from now, and my price prediction is around $5,000 for Polkadot, which is not that crazy considering. Let's take a look at Ethereum. If Polkadot, I'm not saying Polkadot is going to become as massive as Ethereum, but let's say it grew enough so that we could hit around $5,000 per coin. We would need only 200 coins right now to become a Polkadot millionaire in 10 to 15 years. If this is the price that we're going to be hitting, that would be around $3,400 today at a price of $17. But that is not the whole story. Now let's remember that Polkadot is a proof of stake coin, meaning that if you stake your coins, you're actually getting a return or a reward every single year. Now, right now, you can get around 12 to 14% depending on where you're staking your Polkadot per year. Now, let's assume that over the next 5 years, I'm going to get on average 9% back from my Polkadot staking rewards. How many coins do I need to get to that sweet, sweet $1 million? Now, if I'm not staking, we're going to be using the same numbers that we did before. So well, you can see them right here. Like, let's compare. Now, if I'm staking, getting that average 9% return, I would only need 6,000 DOT per $100 coin per 6,000 DOT, sorry, for every coin worth $100. So that would cost me about $100,000 to become a Polkadot millionaire if I'm expecting just the measly $100 in 5 years, which is really, really low. Now, if I'm expecting the coin to hit $200 per coin in the next 5 years, I would need only 3,000 DOT compared to 5,000 DOT. So, and that would cost me $51,000 today at $17. Now, if I wanted $500 per coin in 5 years, I would need around 1,200 Polkadot, which would cost me around $20,000. Now, let's compare that to the $34,000 that we would have to spend if we did not stake. Now, if we want to get a price per coin of $1,000 in 5 years, like we were mentioning somewhere around here, then we would only need around 600 DOT, staked DOT, which would cost us about $10,200 right now. And if we're looking far, far into the future and really hopeful, and we think Polkadot can actually hit $5,000 per coin, we need only 120 DOT at a cost of $2,400 today, and stake them over 5 years to get that sweet $1 million. Okay, now that is not the only way to make money. Remember, the market works in peaks and valleys. Now, we take advantage and take some profits at those peaks. We can actually buy back in during the bear market at much, much cheaper price. Now, everybody wants to sell the top and buy the bottom, but I'm going to be saying that we can sell top-ish and buy bottom-ish. Okay, if we manage to sell the top, let's say we're buying right now at $17 and our top is somewhere around $150 for this market cycle. And then as maybe you might know, when we hit a bear market, usually altcoins bleed about 99%. Now, this is a more conservative 95%. Let's say we go 95% lower than this value here, and we buy back at $7.5 per coin. We would only need 30 coins to make it to that $600 worth of DOT, 600 DOT, sorry, which we would be staking to make $1 million in 5 years, assuming we go to that $1,000 goal. Now, 30 coins right now at $17 would be around $510. So we would need an 8.8x from this value to the peak of the market cycle, then followed by a 95% drop and buying back at around $7.5 per coin. Okay, remember, this is assuming we need 600 DOT staked over 5 years to get at $1,000 per coin in 5 years. Now, a more realistic selling top-ish and buying bottom-ish. We would buy right now at $17, sell at around $100, and then buy back in at around $17. So that would be around a 5.9x from where we are right now, followed by an 83% drop, which is actually very, very realistic. And in order to do that, to over 5 years of staking our coins, reach that 600 DOT, we would need 102 coins. So we're going to buy 102 coins at $17, sell them at 100 and buy back at 17 to get that 600 coins. Then we stake them in over 5 years. We get that sweet $1 million. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Remember, I'm giving away 100 ADA, 100 Cardano tokens when we hit 1,000 subs. See you guys next time for more crypto content. Bye-bye.